In this video, we are going to discuss how to calculate percentage and grade in MS Excel. So first of all, we have to open MS Excel. I have MS Excel 2010, so I open this. So you can see I have calculated percentage and grade, and when I click here, you can see this particular formula fx equal to c2 by ये जो आप देख रहे हो. So and when we calculate grade, then we are using this formula. So one by one I will discuss how to calculate this percentage and grade. So first of all, you have to enter all this data where my cursor is moving. You have to enter roll number, student name and marks of 10. After that we will calculate percentage. So here you can see I have cleared all the data what I have entered before. So in front of you now I will calculate percentage and grade. So we all know if I have to calculate percentage, then the formula of percentage is obtained marks upon maximum marks into 100. So here I will write like that. So I have to first select. Now I enter formula of percentage. So formula of percentage in Excel is equals to, I have to obtain right here obtain marks means C2 upon C12, which is maximum marks, into 100. So after this I will enter. Here not showing any percentage but an error. Why happened this error? Because here I have to write C13. Here I have to write C13 but I put C12. So this is the error. When I correct this error, it will show percentage. C13 and enter. Yes, you can see now this is showing percentage, and I will drag it to fill all the column. Here not showing percentage because we not entered in formula absolute addressing. I will have to put here absolute value for percentage, then it will show percentage. So I will here put absolute. Absolute means I have to put here some special characters. Let's see. So after putting this special character, you can see where is my cursor is moving. This, after putting this character, the error are vanishes and all the percentage are calculated here. You can see all the formula are here. Now I will calculate grade. For calculating grade, I have to enter this formula Now I enter this formula, and after enter you can see grade will be calculated. Here I use if function. Here d2 is greater equal to 75 means A grade. If d2 greater and equal to 60, it will give B grade, and if d2 is greater equal to 40, it will give C grade, otherwise it will give D grade. So after entering this formula, you can see D grade has been given. So now I have not to enter one by one formula, but I have to drag from here and it will fill automatically. You can see it will fill automatically. So this is the formula. You have to enter this. This is for cell D2 and same as cell. Yes, you can see here this is for cell D3 and this is for cell D6. This is same. So in this video we see how to calculate percentage and grade. So thanks for watching this video. In next video we calculate grade using VLOOKUP function.